Fellow gardeners, after decades of experimentation and countless seasons of trial and error, I've discovered the one secret ingredient that transforms ordinary tomato plants into absolute giants, producing fruit so massive that your neighbors will stop and stare in disbelief. This isn't some expensive commercial fertilizer or exotic supplement. It's something that ancient civilizations used to create the most fertile soils on Earth, and it's been hiding in plain sight all along. That secret ingredient is biochar, and once you understand how to harness its incredible soil-transforming power, your tomato harvests will never be the same again. Biochar might sound like a modern invention, but it's actually based on terra preta, the incredibly fertile Amazon black earth that indigenous peoples created centuries ago. These ancient gardeners discovered that adding charcoal to their soil created growing conditions so superior that the effects lasted for generations. Today's biochar is the refined version of this ancient wisdom, engineered specifically for modern gardeners who want extraordinary results. What makes biochar revolutionary for tomato growing is its unique cellular structure. Picture a microscopic city with millions of tiny apartments where beneficial soil organisms can live, reproduce, and create the perfect environment for explosive plant growth. This porous structure holds up to 6 times its weight in water and nutrients, creating a slow-release system that feeds your tomatoes exactly what they need, exactly when they need it. The real magic happens at the root level. Biochar provides the ideal habitat for mycorrhizal fungi, the beneficial organisms that form partnerships with your tomato roots. These fungi extend your plant's root systems by up to 700%, dramatically increasing their ability to absorb nutrients and water. When your tomato plants can access more resources more efficiently, they channel that energy directly into producing larger, more abundant fruit. The science behind biochar's effectiveness is fascinating and explains why it produces such dramatic results. The pyrolysis process that creates biochar burns away volatile compounds while leaving behind a carbon structure that's incredibly stable and beneficial for soil life. This stability means biochar doesn't break down like organic matter. Instead, it becomes a permanent improvement to your soil that continues working year after year. Biochar's surface area is absolutely mind-boggling. A single gram of quality biochar has a surface area equivalent to a football field, providing countless microsites for beneficial bacteria and fungi to establish colonies. These microorganisms form complex relationships with your tomato plants, trading nutrients for sugars and creating a living soil ecosystem that supports vigorous growth and natural disease resistance. The nutrient-holding capacity of biochar is what truly sets it apart from other soil amendments. While conventional fertilizers can wash away with the first heavy rain, biochar captures and holds nutrients in its porous structure, releasing them slowly as your plants need them. This creates a buffering effect that prevents nutrient deficiencies while avoiding the feast or famine cycles that stress tomato plants and limit their potential. Not all biochar delivers the same results, and choosing the right type is crucial for growing massive tomatoes. Look for biochar made from hardwood sources rather than agricultural waste or softwood. Hardwood biochar has the optimal pore structure and longevity needed for vegetable production. The particle size should range between 2 to 10 millimeters, large enough to maintain its beneficial structure but small enough to integrate well with your existing soil. The most critical step that many gardeners overlook is properly charging your biochar before application. Fresh biochar is like an empty sponge that will actually compete with your plants for nutrients if used directly. You must charge it with nutrients and beneficial microorganisms before adding it to your tomato beds. Create your charging mixture by combining 1 part biochar with 2 parts high-quality compost in a large container. Add liquid fertilizer or compost tea to create a slurry that completely saturates the biochar. This mixture needs to cure for at least 3 weeks, with weekly stirring to ensure even distribution. During this time, the biochar absorbs nutrients while beneficial microorganisms colonize its porous structure. For even better results, add a handful of mycorrhizal inoculant to your charging mixture. These specialized fungi form the root partnerships that dramatically increase nutrient uptake and are essential for achieving truly massive tomato growth. The key to biochar success lies in proper application timing and placement. Begin incorporating charged biochar into your tomato beds at least 4 weeks before transplanting seedlings. This timing allows the biochar to integrate with your existing soil ecosystem and establish the microbial communities that will support your plants throughout the growing season. Work the charged biochar into the top 12 to 15 inches of soil at a concentration of 10 to 20% by volume. This might seem like a substantial amount, but biochar's benefits are dose-dependent. Higher concentrations within this range produce more dramatic results. Create biochar-enriched zones around each planned tomato location by digging areas approximately 24 inches in diameter and thoroughly mixing the charged biochar with existing soil. For container growing, biochar works exceptionally well when mixed with high-quality potting mix at a 15% ratio. The improved drainage and nutrient retention make it ideal for large tomato containers, often producing plants that rival or exceed in-ground performance. Combine biochar with complementary growing techniques to achieve truly spectacular results. The improved nutrient retention means you can reduce synthetic fertilizer applications by 30 to 50% while achieving superior growth. Focus on organic nutrients like fish emulsion, kelp meal, and compost, which work synergistically with biochar's microbial communities. Biochar's water-holding capacity creates more consistent soil moisture, dramatically reducing common tomato problems like blossom end rot, fruit cracking, and growth stress. This consistency allows plants to maintain steady growth rates throughout the season, resulting in larger fruit and extended harvests. The enhanced microbial activity promoted by biochar creates natural disease resistance in tomato plants. Beneficial organisms outcompete harmful pathogens while producing compounds that strengthen plant immune systems. Many gardeners report virtually eliminating fungal diseases like early blight and fusarium wilt when using biochar-amended soil. Track your tomato plant's response to biochar by documenting growth rates, leaf color, and fruit development compared to previous seasons. Most gardeners notice improved plant vigor within 4 to 6 weeks of transplanting, with dramatic increases in fruit size becoming apparent by mid-season. Biochar's effects are cumulative and improve over time. Unlike organic matter that decomposes quickly, biochar remains active in your soil for decades, continuously improving soil structure and fertility. Annual applications of charged biochar at reduced rates maintain optimal growing conditions while building long-term soil health. The investment in quality biochar pays dividends for years through consistently larger harvests, healthier plants, and reduced input costs. Your tomato beds will become increasingly productive over time as biochar's soil-building effects compound season after season. This ancient secret ingredient has the power to transform your tomato growing from ordinary to extraordinary, producing the massive fruit that will make you the envy of every gardener in your neighborhood. Subscribe to Hydrohaven for more game-changing growing secrets, and share this guide with fellow gardeners ready to discover the incredible potential of biochar-enhanced tomato production.